Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the meeting app and joining the call. Once you're in, go straight to the video settings. Select the virtual background option. This is the only way to change backgrounds during the live call in many clients. Upload your prepared 1920 by 1080 image or choose a supplied video. Make sure the app has permission to use your camera. If prompted, enable background blur first to test performance, then swap to a full virtual image when the preview looks clean. Once done selecting a background, preview how it blends with your movement and clothing. You'll notice seams if lighting is uneven. Use the fit or stretch controls to remove head cropping, and toggle mirror only if text on your background appears reversed. If edges look jagged, reduce motion and increase front lighting. Soft, even light removes shadows that confuse the replacement algorithm. Make incremental adjustments and keep the settings window open until you're satisfied so you can tweak instantly during the call. To finish, close settings and continue the call with your new background active. Keep an eye on performance. Virtual backgrounds can use significant CPU or GPU. If the effect glitches or waves appear, switch briefly to the blur or a solid color and then retry your image. This often forces a proper re-render. If problems persist, restart the app, check camera driver updates, and verify permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the camera or toggle off GPU acceleration. Many artifacts clear immediately when you do.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.